Okay. Here we go. So today we have an assignment. It's the same thing that we covered yesterday, minor bodies in the solar system. But this time, instead of having to type in your answer in the constructed response, we're doing a practice assessment, which will be multiple choice. So I can have the reading open. Yeah, close it. Oh, my pen's not working. Come on now. Come on now. Why's this happening? Okay, so I'll have to say it from back here. I hope they can hear me. So open up a new tab with the reading. It says minor body in the solar system, and it has like a letter next to it, so you know it's the reading. So that takes you directly to the page. There's only one page of reading, which isn't too bad. Let's take a look at the assignment so we can kind of see what kind of questions they're going to ask us in the assessment. There's only 10 questions. And to be fair, this one may have a little bit of we gotta look at them one by one. Not working. That's disappointing. So, do you remember from yesterday which of these bodies is located in the Kuiper Belt? It's going to be Pluto, not Neptune. Remember, that's one of the reasons that we made Pluto not a planet or down into a dwarf planet. Close your Chromebook. That's one of the reasons we made Pluto into a dwarf planet was because it's out there in the Kuiper Belt, and there's a lot of other objects around it that could affect its orbit or could affect its future. Keep your head up. This is still not going to come on, so let me come back here.
Does that mean anything?
Yeah, it means that it's not connected for whatever reason.
Yeah.
No, well, you can't recalibrate it until it's connected. I might have to refresh it. So the student argues that Pluto cannot be a trans-Neptunian object because Pluto is a planet, and trans-Neptunian objects only include only minor bodies in the solar system. Is this student correct? No, the student's not correct because Pluto is a trans-Neptunian object. Well, there. Hold on, let's see. What are our answers? Yeah, I think you're probably right. Pluto is a dwarf planet, not a planet. Therefore, Pluto can be a trans-Neptunian object. And we already talked about yesterday how Pluto comes inside of the orbit of Neptune. And so that helps make it a trans-Neptunian object, I guess, as long as it's not a planet.
So you don't think Pluto and Neptune overhit?
Huh?
So you don't think that Pluto and Neptune overhit?
No, I don't think so. First off, the distances are very, very far away. And your orbit would have to be like perfectly on the same plane, and I don't think that's the case either.
If they were to hit each other, what would happen? Would Pluto just get stuck in Neptune?
No, if they were to hit each other, I mean, there would be a huge, would it get stuck in it? They would kind of collide. You'd have a bunch of material be ejected out into space. And over time, if they were gravitationally stuck together, they would round out and kind of become the same planet. That being said, Pluto is a rocky planet. Neptune is a gas planet. And so it could be a little weird if they actually hit each other. Neptune probably just absorbed Pluto.
That's what I was.
Yeah. You probably wouldn't see much happening. I mean, it would be weird, but let's see. Where is the asteroid belt located?
Between Mars and Jupiter.
Yeah, between Mars and Jupiter. Remember the difference between a meteoroid, a meteor, and a meteorite. And so remember that a meteoroid's in space. A meteor is when it's coming down through the atmosphere, and a meteorite is when it hits the ground on Earth. Let's see. Which of the following minor bodies could be a trans-Neptunian object? A moon, dwarf, planet, or a comet. Maybe all of the above. I might have to look at this one. The problem that I'm seeing here is the moon. A moon is going to have issues because the moon is orbiting something else. So how could it be a trans-Neptunian object?
Well, the planet is, the planet's a trans-Neptunian object. The moon is orbiting the planet.
Yeah, so like
going
Pluto's moon Charon, if we're calling Pluto a trans-Neptunian object, then I guess, Pluto's moon Charon could also be a trans-Neptunian object. So that's probably correct. After we get done with this, I'll double check and see if I'm getting anything wrong here. Where in the solar system is the Oort cloud? So remember,
beyond the
it's the furthest one out. Yeah. So your asteroid belt is inside, right in between the small rocky planets and the large gas planets. Then at the end, you have the Kuiper belt, which is where Pluto is, and at the very, very outside, you have the Oort cloud, which is as far out as you can get. Which of the following is generally considered to be a minor body in the solar system? Probably all those. We just kind of went through that. Which of the following is not a type of asteroid? They have different types of asteroids. You can find that on the reading page. One of them is not. So they have 4 different words here. 3 of them are going to be correct. One of them is not going to be a word they use to describe asteroids. Well, maybe you should read and make sure. Which of the following is generally considered to be a minor body in the solar system? Again, you have different answer choices. You should be able to figure that one out. And then number 10, what is a comet? Definition of comet. All right, so that shouldn't be too bad. Make sure that you're going through and checking with the reading. I will pause the video real quick and make sure that what we said just a second ago is correct. And if I have any corrections to make, I will add it to the end of the video. Okay, I went and checked everything, and everything that we said just a second ago was correct. So go ahead and work through the assignment. And if you have any questions, please send me an email and let me know. And I will have another video for you tomorrow. Thank you.